amazing how sometimes you only need a cup of coffee to turn a bad day into a not so bad one? So if you also count yourself as one of the coffee lovers, you would definitely enjoy this Pigeon by Stovecraft Brewster coffee maker. We will unbox it today and understand why. So it comes with two components. One is the maker itself and the other is the carafe, which is transparent and also comes with a spoon inside. We also happen to see a power indicator button in red. The coffee maker comes with an advanced brewing technology and a mesh filter that is very easy to clean. The rubber feet ensure better grip on the surface. It is dishwasher safe and the ergonomic structure prevents heat transfer. The capacity of the coffee maker is 600 ml and the operating voltage would be 220 volts to 240 volts. It also comes with a 600 watt heating plate and an interesting anti-drip mechanism, that is, if you remove the carafe, the flow of the coffee would be interrupted, thus avoiding risk of spillage. The transparent carafe ensures you have a good sight of your coffee in making. That's all from our unboxing today. Do stay tuned for more.
Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of Morphy Richard's Europa Espresso Cappuccino Coffee Maker. As you can see, it comes in a fairly large box which has a product picture right on top, and it comes with a 2-year product warranty. Now if we flip this to the side, you can see that it has all the details of the product mentioned right over here, like the steam control knob. It has a milk frothing nozzle. It's very easy to clean. It has a safety relief valve and all the key features. If you look on top, you can see that it has the product model, the item code, the net quantity, the MRP, the country of origin, as well as the customer care details right over here in case of any problem. So without any further ado, let's open the box. Now if I talk about the main product, the Morphy Richard's Europa Espresso Cappuccino Coffee Maker is quite beautiful to look at. It's very bulky. It comes with a very handy user manual which will give you all the instructions and all the details about the attachments. It also has a warranty card, a 2-year warranty card. This is the main unit. It is so beautiful and you can see that it is quite heavy and it has a silver and black finish. It gives it a very elegant look. Now it has an on and off button right over here. Just one single switch to switch on and off. This is the frothing nozzle, the milk frothing nozzle. Now this is the coffee strength selector. You can simply move it to select the strength of the coffee. And this is where you can make your cappuccino. You can froth it by moving this nozzle